So tell me about the Hahn 300.
See, I don't know where to start. It's a 300-mile race that is similar to the Baja 1000 in that there's multiple classes running at the same time. It differs in that not all teams will accomplish 300 miles. 60 teams that show up, the vast majority of them don't finish 300 miles.
Trying to kill me.
lots of money. I don't care about clever, I don't care about funny. I want loads of clothes and fuck loads of diamonds. I heard people die while they're trying to find them. And I'll take my clothes off and it will be shameless, cause everyone knows that's how you get famous. Everyone knows that's how you get famous. Everyone knows that's how you get famous.
It's a trap.
What up, Will?
Will, I love you! You're my favorite cousin ever!
I will. I think you're doing alright.
You know Tom Brady.
You know Tom Brady. Hi, or something. Well.
Life's about film stars and less about mothers. It's all about fast cars and cussing each other. But it doesn't matter, cause I'm packing plastic, and that's what makes my life so fucking fantastic. And I am a weapon of massive consumption, and it's not my fault, it's how I'm programmed to function. It's not my fault, it's how I'm programmed to function. Programmed to function.
You did it. Good job, man. 180 miles. How do you feel?
If you ain't dangling, you're wrangling.